The BETAFPV Cetus X FPV Drone Kit is a high-performing and advanced ExpressLRS 2S Power Whoop bundle, perfect for pilots seeking to elevate their flying experience. It supports the Betaflight configurator, which allows beginners to learn quadcopter configuration through the Betaflight flight controller version. The kit includes the LiteRadio 3 transmitter, notable for its ergonomic design and exceptional performance with a working time of up to 15 hours. To maintain optimal performance, it is recommended to recalibrate the joystick after repeated use or physical impact, and if the drone tends to fly to one side, recalibration of the flight controller is advisable. The Cetus X FPV Kit operates on the ELRS V3 firmware, hence it is important to ensure that any other receiver bind with the controller has the same firmware version. The kit also features the BETAFPV VR3 goggles, equipped with a DVR recording function, enabling pilots to save, playback, or export videos, significantly enhancing the FPV flying experience.